Yes, be brainy ho. Na be brainy ho no. That na coach Odro when you baby ko na in charge. The omo China ka number 2. In the first half, your boy first half new year na broni ni ehu me and no frame me. No William say me bo position, me am say me bo midfield. No say on hwe no say me midfielder but me number 2 but the way I miss go 2 no say no pe na e ha no dey fa me nti no omo na me wa around na me wo mo nche na no na bo a me nti me nya jesi share no like mansuro because na me ni omo na e wo ho no mo na ade ana on say sometimes e bo no ma say we mbo no kumase ya say first ma you bo no kumase ya na sometimes na pressure no eye mo but me de na koye oboase nti no nya bo first ma so nya so wie na nya me adom na koyi a na chese no nti me de na sa na koye
but I don't know to keep it or form or keep your position see a kind of Kotoko and no out.
I don't make us Adjei bia no ya u focus unim ni awope because me Kotoko no am a boy no I am ka say a chance me first 3 years even scared man say me obi am any risk e ka me mo
come on say
me first 3 years Kotoko me 20 million
for 3 years
3 years but me hu say young boy afi na meba me adwuma ya bosun we betua meka
yeah
bosun ya ketua na ya sometimes na is can kese any you but bosun ya ketua no na hia pa because bedu mbrebe no ona yeso behwe abusia it is what if na anya adwuma anye na se wonya bibi kakra na akwa adwuma bosun me kwan say 100 Ghana ye de be ma at least obetimi dia support fee eno ne ade a na esimeni so
okay
me mabusia hu hia me sene bibia wo wiase me ba ndi se menya bibia na betimi dia boa ma bisuan emfa ho na keto aye ndi na me yem ne se me bought 3 years ni wi a na ntimi yire me ho a e de metumi sa so nya new contract e wo Kotoko na se baby eno metumi nya sika kese ndi jomo de ma me no no na enhye dan ha me but adwuma na menya me ye no eno ne ade a na hia me aha nti eno na me di kan nya
well sika sem dem no say aha no the last time while me abekun ba ha na August near mamu 150 Ghana a month.
O me starting na me dey near him say 200
my over 200 and oko TP now ojibe 5,000 10,000
50 and the menka
yes
we be attack you see
15 oh okay what you 15 now $15,000 what is the problem? Yeah, I know. Okay, that's my problem. What's your kind of Kotoko? What's your time? I'm see a kind of players I know, and no shit. Almost see a care. Only almost say a new park and maybe I'm for Kotoko University. But how much say I say SS ne a GHS will be another as a standard number for.
I'm no cry. And okay because me kai say me makasa me Kotoko supporter wo asa me Kotoko oda hwe ahindu am those times the players are no mo Kotoko na obi a obo Premier League no for 5 years I want so experience no ono mo koto no e de ne ba enti nipa no ba wa match dada enti o share player bia na onsuro but ne na ntesa Kotoko ye team bi eso the guys say Kotoko bash time say 2008 that time no there nipa na ba park in the supporters they be no e bom match wi a we share play be one more say e be a park no so dede no kra no e ma ye boto yi in this obi one more ni sa akukudu na ono ko na Kotoko player no o park no so obesan boto oh eno no na dia because you see no mo ntwen ma player no e match ona bi see na obi so match ope na ope akwantu etu obo 1 2 3 a na ope akwantu etu because Tanzania for Zika was also in Ghana. Congo for Zika was also in Ghana. In Tiobako, Okoho na even quite 1,000 the Ghana had almost 60 million. Ghana had unya, and in Kotoko, maybe upgrading no, cost kakra, but unya our Ghana has it. In Tiobako, Tanzania, Quaco show. Even with me to Konoma frustrated, our quintu, because agent Biaka and so on Brania Daddy. Because when you say I be obenya $500 e babu na CCC nti akoye sika sempa be nti na ma ayesa nti no on person betina ha ana ha no so bo 1 2 3 4 a na start e ma veteran wanyini but me ko Congo no Kidiaba no about 15 years about team ni 15 years Kasusula number 3 no about 13 years but anytime bia no be hu ni bia no your person obo because of moons or more experience papa no ade ba ku difference e wo no ho ne ha na me che no the mentality of Champions League any whole league because I say whole league na eden obeji wanje obi di second into on focus
obi second oje ni no Champions League
on focus on league on top players are every man Champions League wanje Champions League obeji confederations are players not to into ko this is Zambia national team players wo ho ana players who are the best player no akwa fa no naba no akwa Tanzania some no way or pick top players nancy any player ba ko sa Jack Maluka or someone say na yala for panaton $2 million
on ton yeah
that boy is me ho ye nyina ye tete no a small boy
okay
small boy
o academy for ground be
small boy and all they are hating man sa opportunity ye nyina wo ho no ne eboa but has a development football eni ha sei Kotoko ni nkwala ye tete o akwala na wo tete na time bi won what him invite no ni mpanyifo na be train wo hu the way esitie nti no oba ne hu mbekere no but ye ha na bi ni he ni ntem bi an to
that's on go to ayi
ba na nsin players na wo ho no omodi yen to transfer no ye mo am sa ko form ba so to be to transfer nti no o build the team anasa wo ye den team building na nyese mato obo 1 2 3 no we film obi one obet mat na team after 1 year and obetimi amacho abebo amount but here han entesa obo 1 2 3 na nye na need not to transfer me how to play on 3 was in 3 years no kwa sika na design no obeji bi
yes
ndi we lose me ba na year me be say na 1 year omode me to transfer na mzaka 5 months o di ma to transfer we ma me 3 months salary aka tutu pe no ama me dize me team na my time ne so a they are now we gain well pam me but yes we ma miska and the one e lose sometimes I won't be there pam ye ungu obi ani mase football ada obi ye adwuma na wo yi na di ungu ni mase wo yi ni free one wo choma akonya baby akwa akwose abotre ni ho Ghana ha say ye ni abotre
yan ka dey we call Congo now a foreign player foreign our boy we kuma obi si akan o go to ebi mo o hwe o ma ye de mo bahana foreigners na say adingra ne ayi mu ya ohun bi oni bi abobo ba na say so ayi event ba go event abeg mo ha
on top on the mean got on Champions League na obi wa ntimi kwa kotono ntimi fa da no to player so obi wa ombra un follow player na yeko Congo fezi yeko za ma me no na team manager papa na ye no on na team manager okobi ona be ko no honna ko di nkomo ntini ye di nkomo na ba nya ko e ka so metimi abotu ma me kan ye so mo ha no wa hwehwe akọ YouTube akọ search wa hu
onimu kwanza na ombek etibanya ko mo kan wasem no ha
aka je so ntwa so
onim bibia
onimi ne ya de we esi boy bo wa hwe o YouTube za no ka kire no but ya na how many times you follow up obi ba Kotoko ye Kumasi Sports baba yara no ha be she Kotoko 1 check no ne matches no a obon ne form the way sitie once wa she Kotoko na antis me kwa Kotoko obi a she Kotoko a train no onye no yewu obetima ko road every day but only breakum Chelsea and I say on yes training no because obi any so she Kotoko a ye be fa no but the pan be she Kotoko no one follow up what when you suban the way sitie weeks now obo matches no sign all performing ne level no te sen ansa na akofa no but ha nya sa wa she Kotoko ntino ye kwa Kotoko no obeba no the ban last you know the be she Kotoko afi abeg so bo pu o de akota abeg there so wa o ko Champions League yen wa o me nwa Solomon Asante nwa ya Frempong nwa Kisigwa tenwa Gladson nwa sanda to mun no omudi ye ho fe o omo se Ghana fo omun nim de Ghana fo nyina yen ketenkete ena me ka che ba ko so wo Ghana wo nka ya bansa za bodu yen fa mbobo wo omun hu no se yen ketenkete but ye ko park ne so a ni ha wo be yen enne hia Ghana from Africa say boni be coaching do dey agi first Confederation Cup ye ne media ma bo frame manager mention play be a do si bobo because of more quality na yen wo ho no say Ghana for na ba no sa na omote but yen e wo ha na ye mind ye mbu
we need to go to Kotoko
TP Mazembe yen media me bo super car confederation cup frame me obo player we dey mention style obobo because of so or assign obia movie some agency come go bo tuba because of Malega ko we dem ka say say bo mfimfin
okay
omo assess obia omo ye me call work ye ni Mazembe but the same thing omo frame me busa me oh but ye ha ne nyesa en fa hu coach betuma free player woni ma se mesin an obo ne bo sen ni nyina ya adwenkyere but ya say yen frɛ busa sɛ te sɛ ebi e kwa koto player omo ye ebi e kwa koto player we unim no ani ne bobo te sɛ
se bia omo he player bi no mo na
imano klo te sɛ na papa ne pɛ no obusa solo ni kisi because omo na ni wo Chelsea omo ne betuma kan the way nti no nya obeka no papa ne be hu sɛ eye se ye no kre wo but ye ha no enti sa e be hwe player no one eno one no ye nhwe ni biom yes ya kwa koto na fe ba no ntimi mba yes wasa na fe na kwa koto transfer team no na eboka yentimi keep player for 2 years 3 years 4 years and ye build team o pesa kwa Africa yen fa 1 month 3 month and build team say kwa kobo
edi me sure say any o te say bia kodo company for Africa ye beje any you know the team ya na e yo sire
kodo kontimi nje dabi
ade den no
asem no kran ne ka den but me no kran mo say kodo ko bet ma Champions League answer I don't want to make players they keep you for about 3 years the same players e bia na de ba ku bi na e ba be shim omuni mo ho 2008 sama Adjei ball no Adjei league no me fa ball me bia ba ku ni gina minim Jordan be bi ona wo ho because ni abobo friendly matches ni ade ache even though any in but over the quality na na ye hia na ye wona eno na ma won che but go for bia me try match unya because obi te say lali e wa ko to player $2.5 million wish ya na obesho
ko budget ni na mse de ho ye ko ni 2.5
obesho intino se mo pese Kotoko Ghana teams do pese wa Champions League the quality players the players no man wa cho e wo league nim no o ko to bi outsider pe obi a o ye match o hu se oba obeboa me
national team player
oba obetima mama me season obetima mama 20 goals 15 goals 10 goals sana ye di top player yen top players wa hye 1 goal ntino ka Kotoko da bi Kotoko ntino ka Kotoko
well Adjei ne Daniel Nhyira and Adjei komo Daniel Nhyira esia kama Kumasi Asante Kotoko oko TP Mazembe Adjei apart from African club competition Adjei no Adjei osan move to work ehonye the Super Cup am work ne na TP Mazembe nyonya chance Adjei Super Cup ne bi ene ene twin komo fa agudi ho nsem ne ono ane carry ane nsem nya meba so specifics because na say gwa wazim biaba ezo ko kan sim bia ma alaji uni alaji enya eno yesi ezo ko kan sim bi uni kize kimfa ezo na so kimfa do
ya so
ezo atim busy an kan chemo ezo so nsem graba p 500 is a day na ezo kaka okude and other go fazim bia we ba go to sim bia baro de etoda o hwe emra o ko TP Mazembe na o si akan o hwe Congo players owa omunya abom national team o hwe Zambia team o de AFCON o mo che Ghana e o semi final eko J AFCON o hwe omunya abom national team o ye Ghana ni o si akan mo tranchen na o national team nya bi mo a na ma o feel say
my father been me de na enhame because me hunu say Adjei bia no ubenya nyame de mawa ubenya enya wo de a unya em say enya me nko ani player em say na my ball regular de na me say me nya national team call up but me na enhame me no de na enhame pa e say bia menya selection o Mazembe eno pa na ya de enhame because national team no once a while be ye be fro se be sin ko apart from say o kwa ball tournament no die eno no die ye but national team na bi o ma ye be fro ye dimi fro obi ne or china yen fro bi but me no de say selection e wo Congo Mazembe yebo champions the convena me mbo bi bia be 2-3 matches a ho ane hia ba me national team de na nhyɛ nya de a hamisa
Obi mema mbusa bia na
ni $15,000 there emu edu oh is cano. How is it possible say a war-torn country like Congo it's me to sasika no man
to come place and we players are no more I mean it is a national team be
na opinion no Moise Katumbe say na nisika same city and say na or financially or handle club
na we say go it's can we back
man adwene kra no a business minded person o yiwe ya onumse ne nsa beka we oje Champions League guys kase ne wo sika wo mdos nti oputi ne be obinya every season bi omoye budget e be start league e be won omoye budget na your company very company ni omon need my sika every season bi no mine $12 million for season including salaries name if you are now papa no so you private plane I did to kan ko bomb matches
you scan to planes no way
the
political background na
sika
that we say oboso just say sika ni
sika so companies are much good diamond chrome no gold diamond bauxite omo sa natural resources no yes omo pass up part na dey bomb no nya say yetu bi wo ho
uranium
ni na bi okrom ho intino omo governor so your governor opportunity nya sa niema ni nyina papa so na governor ansa na ba say obepe president na intino ono wiska ana sa company no so na money sika because me kai say your boss the first Champions League Adjei no chance can you odini na man you
chance can you am
odini na man
ono ma wo say na de o paper a World Club Championship no nye I had in the same
one tiba ko kran film o ka je say even coaches go ma mo no ave ma coaches niska o diska ni na man say enche ana hono ye chase kai en fa so bo bi ana say wa mo bi ye cha mo bi a mo bi kra nya bi entino o mo ye budget no $12 million. Mbesa this season na munyina mu free akwenti mu na mo ba ye co meeting no was setting a target this season me person major Champions League e be free meeting ye nyina ba go table tin players ye nyina ni coaches nya et na ho no obi e sha ideas we didn't dey beba we didn't dey beba no aga chom say ana me pe be say Adjei champion no league no don kan ho asem because on the players
one league as on go Champions League
ana wo ko park no wo nim say win na kwa ko win no wo benya sei intino wo no si Canada ho no kra no wo ja park no so wa bodam because wo lose wa emfa so ko bo matches wo win ya beje $5,000 as a winning bonus wo ntan as kan emfa ho ndu ko ja park no so de so ye bia na wo win no wo be win intino no set sa target no if I say major Champions League anye ya near you move free my confederation the no Champions League go to me kwa be a semi final maybe a you know see you nearly or group stage nya no about confederation me no e free me kwa miensa ba ko ye di second any 2000 say 13 no 14 ye di second ansa na e ba beje Champions League ansa na Adjei confederation 2 na to aso me kwa ye na Adjei confederation 2 Champions League 1 confederation is also the second but then as a man for sheda
my body ever my drink yes
the second back when you
a huge achievement even for you as a player so Champions League winners medal back confederation 2 Super Cup 2 that's a great achievement
only ya on Congo
me ya from
na mko no me kai say initially no na mu eden kakra untumi wura team ni mu ba ne say na breakthrough ne bai
me Raymond time because you started pre-season. As an coach, I know Mali, of Senegal. Lamin,
I mean, yeah.
See about friendly matches. I be with my boy be a Monday, be a Wednesday or Singabo. Until your boy we are no I say bia ade ache obusam say metimi asan abo ana me say am ka se me bo ana ni age
okay
nti me re mu ntem but me be pry
okay
me benya growing bi
okay
na no ebe ha me na e honde we am system ni city na be start legal Ghana ha yen so foreign so ba o e be start legal mu di kan use Congo phone
okay
ma Congo phone chance because some mu nim say we betimi abo nti omo try Congo because omo ntem omo so mo building on omo national team no
yeah
nti omo di kan use Congo phone mo nti say mfa mo na afi no wo ya be fro se be sen kobo but the Congo need me bo we foreigner mfa woni sika woji e ma wo mbo because ntem omo be so omo kro no e di ni ko so but den ha no even though you go fa ayaba but yes and so those only mbo but yen magana ni chance e be ho foreigner ne so no bo na obi ese bi enko bo Ghana ha na nka ni din ye ba so na ka bi a otimi bo national team no otinche no nya bi mbo even though me ka se me ma foreigners mbo but at least umma ukrum ni chance untimi mba no so ma na chance untimi ambo no wayi no e ho no sa no mo ye no enti no ube rem but e bi abeti matna nchen bi abetu 3-4 matches bi ansa no wasa akwa ko mtisa na etie
na then ma o che wo ho na unuanum adoso Gladson wo ho Kisi wo ho Solomon wo ho because me kai those times mo bana mo kwa aduane amode ko no you know to aduane de kopa
ansa do di akona
mo dia no ntimi ndi
okay
ana ho ya fortunate no mo body wo ho omo menkin
okay
omo body omo menkin wo ho no enti no omo native food ndi untimi end because me hu ye
yeah
indendem bia no o kwa de bayre beko
yeah
e bit ma so stage still say no be about 3 months dia kana afi o de mo ato aso e bia one day bi wo ma akoto omo board ya akoto mo ono menkins na o since I had to say bayre nti ndendem bia ne yakode aduane de
mo de kopa na intokwa no na affect mu psychologically say na ya
rebels o man koda na mo kun wo Goma
okay
hono UN for na guide hono
okay
ana ho good wo hopa
to kana de bia to ko beti bia na bia
UN for na kwa
good
okay
minerals
because we were akron ko abedu no UN for na be sign o mo hansa na we were akron me hope ana wo ma bo hunse entokwa ana o mo ho kro ni so untimi fa bus enko te se ma half bus o de kwa akra untimi
enioma ben na wo Congo anka ususu ya de buy Ghana league mo anka beboa ubo match ubo le we win league we are oje $100,000 as prize money in Congo
Congo
very Ghana
oje $100,000 and omo shebo
and also mo tebo na sika chen ana
apart from yen vita like stadiums are correct power stadium Congo no enu 5 I think Boleg to say a tech police station park. Yeah, Boleg also.
Okay.
I think Bob baby to say a Jazongo park now. Grass in soon. Yeah, Boleg. I'm found a pitch no, but attendance never ban. Omo door, omo dieno. There's no way I say a bomb. I say Madrid ne Basel Kobuntin Omamba Park. Oba se Mazembe Jesi national or she Mazembe Jesi onko fa Juventus yes Juventus black and white no akwa kwa dabi omunyi na stadium park nso bia she Mazembe atade enti ye to omo to supporters nto atade no ana e ho no omo sa ton ticket from Thursday Friday Saturday and ton ticket enti so nya ticket Thursday Friday a match no mehwe bi
okay
na so kona ko hu liar
omo to ticket na
to ticket na una expect say we go lose match because yeah be match bi na Saturday before say Sunday be kwa sorry e ko ma sorry mo mbo mpa ye mam te bi e ba be first stadium to do na hu kiwa e kwa koto tikita anya de kitwa
amazing
inti no ma strategy o mo nema bebre e ho no say ye stadium ho na ye clinic e ho yo massage se wo ho inti se mi TV na me hwe na me honam body mi mfili okia mi tuka me kwa clinic omo ye adwuma from
no gym ni bibia o
ya wo gym bibia o personal one o ye wo gym ya wo doctors o mo ti honum anopa ko si enyumre
So no enja brutality mo pebe.
They say chano why.
You hwe pa na hwe ha na to say.
Oh different baby.
Agro bi ni di.
Different baby.
Christian mama was our last one time.
We don't o sound by me kai say be queen by me san bisa ne question na o sound by wachi a wasum o sound by wachi a o expect say bibia be fine. O buy CK. Right so who dey all yet. And I later Zacharias in crowd here.
As who do
Daniel Bay no there be no pen on to me can journey say nipa no men pen I'm sure say it affected him as a player and all of that, and the man in the cooking phase. But answer now be here no one no crucial one be man. Well, Miniano. Oh, a man for the name say Ninya Sikano or ne wifey issues be Unya Scano near oh, he's comfortable. He's very comfortable. Unya Sikao, Wagana Hano, ne sister Nana Bray, Oko Congo $15,000 he buy a feed there. Niba
you are allowed to decide on answer, but okay. So
set the record straight from why.
Buy no de many of them kasai. No, some of 1 year. 1 year no sign on fee, but salary basis. And I'm sure no problem because team no de yabo. And sometimes no. And I be maybe what you want to say be what's a buy be a pay sika. And I use a but I be on my own in Yesica. Sometimes in the old question. And even maybe a person overbo and I say we so the babo. And about Kotoko for Mr. Bayan. Boys may be on my not many boys may be reading come. Because I brabono, Ubona, the more book in him be. Same by and the boys no be. Me advise you when you see car pass as it. Sometimes I need money here. Ghana has in you should any advices. Our football sector and any advices. They are do sika by ye nibi. In Geneva, when you see car and tidy tom, pabuato on so says Kotoko, I was on Kotoko. But Jana if you say after football, when your baby as what you do. Obo bear 10 years you now we now rented down. And again I had rented down 50 million, 5,000 2 years. Nasa, do you imagine say who needs to cut a honum? Now ko high dying 5,000 2 years as soon.
5,000. 20,000. Okay.
Oh yeah, some can. Any fan a woko. Intime and so at least. Men tun kwalanefo. Onye sika ko pass ase. The more obo matches anya winning bonus start. Oji akoto cement. Memfa the receipt. Unya we na betimi ato anwea fa kogu asase ne so. Oh, sa na ma na eboa. Enye bo ne pese. Do ma me chance amebo. But wo ho no ma de me de to mo se de we a Habib ne Ali Wadago mo ye ma me shi obi asa na me. Because enye omo bi anka ma be mu bui kama mo. But omo na encourage me ntem bia me ko train bia ye chebo ni wie fa makwakoto na omo chen. Habib nzo no no twi kanye. Ali Wadago so no so brofu. Ne nyina eto no mo ye di nkomo no mo atumifo. Ntem bia chebo ni wie ya me kwato na obi ancho mo makwakoto na omo chen. Sa ntem me so de tumi mo se mishia obi a sana meye no mi kokko the same thing am koye because mo mpe dansi on pe kato mpanyimfo no betima toka ye kobo Champions League bia ya promise bia e wini a e bia ma je bia 4,000 5,000 no be this kind of di ka no to no ja park no so nya no wo kun hu because we o this kind of toka and the young boys never na me start say me ni omu di nkomo me wo hono obi di ne dan be kire me phone so wa start isi dan wakoyesi because abrabo no ukohia wunua na wonnam no aye basa ebe how ebi o kakra na wo na wudi didi no ube sa atam so de kwa kwhwe na e ba be affect you inde ne na ubetumi etu ni panefo no utu ne fo so be fa fine one fa because football life no enwa watch 15 years 20 years but from there no when a life na nkasa start
yeah that's
because
true
when you adwuma
that's true
resources so me metia oka intika kana de ato ho no and na be na saka kana de ato no sa de ko high down 2 years you escape na be ya de be problem unya
last question when you know
then
why fear say me I buy no
me there me ni obi ni asem
oh okay
me ni obi asem and na
unless you can mass situation
okay Nyesika. Send me the Amidi can say or not.
Okay.
A honor me sika.
When you say 9 what you say? And it's what she bear for any day. What's
Ni say papa nko pension ma me nko hwan dan nipa bia no ho no so set target me na me no so bobo ayesi but me so empire na mbo an se me bo team a me mbo team mo wosika empire me na me bo no and true team mbo e Kotoko so no wosika kongu o wosika work o mo wosika en na me nyae inti ade a we bo ho empire no en nyame ye ma inti na me target no say me papa nko pension me nko ho handa because ade me na me pay say bia me kwa kwotena me nka say nye but to me me be so kwa kwotena be say fishiem ade na me pay so kwa kwotena be fishiem.
Well, thanks so much. Hey, listen, one question. Okay,
Ghana League, wabo the Congolese League, and wabo the Moroccan League. In terms of talent, or compare Ghana and any other leagues in Wabono, where do you place Ghana compared to those countries?
Oh, Ghana are very, very talented. Ghana yenimbo nebo than me ko Congo no say Ghana for no was in Congo for the Takashi ahodene on chima the same thing as Arabs no Takashi and nesa omo tactics no di but yen what talent ni say Ghana ni betuma for between obese but quality no intimate build it and any pan be shine kakra no any trim why any day bo wanu Asante perform one thing say yen league no zen fancy bia mako Kotoko me call ye no me na de bia mebo intimate put on more effort but wo boy ne o china bi bia be you at Nigeria won say eso work more hard but yeah no entesa obonna no relax de bia so no na be bontu relax enene ade a ha no e ho na interview make sure say okosoro oko because on so drop ba say pu ba be sign no and as our teams no zoom obi be opposition a untimi nkaje ni bi but ha na entesa ye talented there but your mind no mindset no enye baba.
Well, TB Mazembe omo training complex academy ni ho nyina aside school mo to place nya.
Oh. We see ndi before say be ba e be free no. Nye nkoda hotel bi.
Ye ho na moda.
Ye da e ho na ye training. E ho na ye didi nye nkoda hotel bi abi. Oh baby ankwala no so wo. Academy no start. Kete almost start ba. Ntu ko si omo na ne ombobo wanye kefo megu eni mase. You know, on plan ahead. Bibi o yibia no plan da he bi okokoko. Real Madrid president bi hunu no FIFA. Oh, I na been say, o person o ye ball na to the sense onya sa mpanyimfo ni nyina back no. Ye call world club say udu hon mamazi ubo mazimbe o ma ko hopen. Inti no, e din da so ho no. Inti ko ba bia na reception abenya no. E different. But the hand yen say o me trash. Say be ya.
Relative for Daniel near Jane and a guest. Yeah, I got some few minutes near you're up here, but Yanko break him rebana, Virginia Jeff to the mama. And Mama Summer Central for Joffutuka because it is a job for the Titimo. The same woman can now kind veteran. Sometime at the colors was it a veteran Venezia retire. Okay, I share 104.5.
Number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM edit the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo free Adjoada ekosi memeda na Adjoada ekosi fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pa husima aduana ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene awia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pa husima aduana ekosi awia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no 9 eno so yato ne din Playoff na ye de memeda de no so e de asomo so don hwere miensa e na memeda bia yetena se free anopa no nkono ekosi awia dumienu dwumade ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba e dwumade me de bright kan kambodu
kwabena open afie OB twice
It happen under Jose. This can't happen under Carlo. This can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say ball here bebo.
Christian Edu say
What is on the premise in also just the boss question that is on Kobe. Yes.
Amana nsem no eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona.
and na Najman. Pomodia said the bia o misses our program way na the global show. Number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Abramo free Adjei ekosi memeda na Adjei ekosi fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pausima aduana ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene awia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduanan ekosi awia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no 9 eno so yato ne din Playoff na ye de memeda de no so e de asomo so don hwere miensa ena memeda bia yetena se free anopa no nkono ekosi awia dumienu dwumade ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba e dwumade me de bright kan kambodu
kwabena open afie OB twice
It happen under Jose. This can't happen under Carlo. This can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say ball here bebo.
Christian Edu say
What is on the premise in also just the boss question that is on Kobe. Yes.
Amana nsem no eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona.
and na Najman. Pomodia said the bia o misses our program way na the global show.
Ensama ekosu kumase no. Yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia.
The way a soldier force your discipline, Vanguard for them, a soldier for respect is what at last, the Nyansa Kromen or the Pop Ghana.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in our minute, and so peaceful. On the economy management will be answered. John Mahama now, on only time, let's see the China inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Ghana for Sena, Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them.
Your number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM.
Right, I ensure 104.5 FM. Yen to us. So, in fact, you're ready to answer. Daniel, ni Adjei ne guest in the studio. Ni Eddie Avuto na de ma obi a players, club administrators, coaches. But I'm sorry, coaches are no me adwuma nyina. Why pan nya great impact or career so pa.
Mebo Talatu Zoom. Coach Bash. Na Coach Max.
Oh, okay.
DDD ono me na anya adwuma anche bat. No so this our coach we mu.
Talatu Zoom Bash and I'm so knadu. Okay. Well, Avuto Odema obia.
I'm gonna kaka makache players and especially local ones and say a system no enye sa die bat kakra na ubenya no na waso mu yi life ye die bat me to me ne die se me ska me wakoto atade aye shepe die me de beto ho for the hiada because say me watade na me 22 cities me sha me amasem say me hungu but say come de me a eno no ya sense me di music wakoto atade na kombele me di mesrom me de kakra me kan so fefa de a ebe bo the mesrom say system ni nya de but kakra obenya no na wahwe so yi wa bo ho ban because uni de beto akina na yama yeni nkosa bepe ejapade te say bi edan dan car car ye but say wunya asase na obetima yin kakra isi dan ya eno ye dan so bekwa kotoka me dem advice no because after football no when nya baby amfa oti anto a untimi enda ka emu
definitely
we ya say ba san kwa koton car no na sa ju current dan sika ne sa afi no ibe hu na bia akokosho ho akomfo na wo dimesre we betima to car make sure say wo asase a wa start a wo ye bibi e wo so car no bebo am wotim the movement and all this and team from so mo hwe bi a nyina yen hwe sikase no so ye because after football na obi hu a obeche usika but we are
well, thanks so much. It's for Daniel Nhyira and yeah, night trim come on. Yeah, man, so yeah, sorry, so there. Now, high sense, I say discount sale. Almost open fridge, open air conditioner, open TV, open gas cooker, electric cooker, iron. Rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, blender, microwave. Then you know, I'm gonna say, yeah. Sale into Kumasi City Mall furniture mo almost Samsung na Kotoko clinic in Shining Ho Doom and so omo cowbell milk vitamins in bi wom to cowbell and on I will say utobi cowbell mocha cowbell choco malt cowbell coffee your cowbell coconut your cowbell banana and a cowbell strawberry cowbell milk Rotary Park Royal Restaurant yebie itana public takodi even the we grade lunch na ready ti contem omapo na 11 ti opa baby na wanya awakodo nkua bi o so no ho kani number some baby atena ho na so ko boys number some transia for the chimo Royal Restaurant ewo Rotary Park Active Point Teeth Whitening and so ewo denyame ultimate radio omne ne bo ho na anything is sin so be so two so be social braces oba so senior fitter for the chim ewo omo aseye sanso na Treadways chemist did no party nyina no omo de abega so for pain tablet and the syrup trouser 500 and a Riddle's cough syrup nyina wo just wa obia tobie Everclean sanitizer and so Tedwedi echi and they buy don't forget on Friday yeah the total quartz and in FM akabom yeah the one car Jumedino and so eba enti channel so me the bright can come body any neji and I drink komo yakramo
Radio Sports Show at the Abramo Efri Adjuada Ekosi Memeda na Adjuada Ekosi Fiada anope bia ebono nsia pa husima aduana ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pa husima aduana ekosi ewia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no 9 eno so yato ne din Playoff na ye de Memeda de no so e de asomo so don hwere miensa ena Memeda bia yetena se free anopa nonkono ekosi ewia dumienu dwumade ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne abono I de eba ejumade the bright can come bodu
kwabena open FA OB twice
happen under Jose this can't happen under Carlo this can't happen under Pep
Bismarck also bempa Ayala
the motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say born here bebo
Christian Edu say
what he say on the premise in also just the boss question that is on kobi yes
amana nsem na eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and na Najman pomodia said the bia o Mrs. program way na the global show